Hi, I have joined the Salesforce Admin and Development course with CRS Info Solutions. It's been 2 months now and the journey has been remarkable so far. I have started my career after a sabbatical and I'm glad I made this decision to join this course through CRS Info Solutions. According to me, the best part was attending to their demo session, which helped me decide if I want to go ahead with this program or not and what to expect out of this entire program. The instructors have a very good experience on the real-time projects and job-oriented concepts. They are helping we aspirants who are trying to make a mark in the Salesforce industry through their mentoring, their fundamental knowledge, the integrated courses, and the learning sessions. I think the program is taking care of all the aspects, keeping the job market in mind, and helping the students keep abreast of everything in the Salesforce world. And I hope one day I would also make a career in Salesforce. Thank you.